In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SUMIFS-like measure in Power BI using DAX. This is particularly useful for those who are accustomed to using Excel and want to replicate the powerful conditional summing capabilities that SUMIFS provides, but within Power BI. So let's dive right in and get started on making your data analysis more efficient and insightful. First things first, open up Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already, navigate your way to the application and let's get it running. Once you've got Power BI open, you're going to find yourself on the main interface. This is where you'll be managing your data, creating visuals, and crafting your measures. For our task today, we're going to focus on the Home tab, which houses a lot of the fundamental tools you'll need right at the start. Once you've landed on the Home tab, look for the option to add a new measure. This function is crucial because a measure acts as the calculation engine behind the scenes of your data model. These are dynamic and will automatically recalculate whenever you make changes to your data or apply different filters. By creating a measure, you're enabling a level of customization and precision in your data analysis. When you click to add a new measure, you'll be prompted to input some code. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, is designed to be user-friendly for those familiar with Excel formulas. Into the box that appears, type in the specific DAX code you need to sum values under certain conditions. This is akin to the SUMIFS function in Excel, allowing you to slice and dice your data to sum only the values that meet specific criteria. As you type in your DAX code, it's essential to ensure that your syntax is correct. Unlike Excel, where each function is relatively isolated, DAX needs to understand your data model. This means paying attention to your data columns and ensuring they are correctly referenced. A small tip here: always check your column names and ensure they match precisely, as any discrepancies might lead to errors in your measure. After typing in your code, let's take a moment to review. Make sure everything is set up as expected, double check your filters and conditions, and ensure that the measure name is descriptive enough so you and others can easily identify what it does later.